Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 4, subject EVS 2, lesson The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Let's begin. Let us begin with our lesson. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Jijabai's wish. Children, after the treaty signed by Shivaji, 23 forts were given to the Mughals, and these 23 forts were still in the hands of Mughals. Kondana was one of these 23 forts. Jijamata was worried because Kondana was in the hands of Mughals. It was an important fort, and it was not safe to keep it in the hands of Mughals for a longer period of time. One day Jijabai called Shivaji and told him about her concern. Shivaji was also thinking about the same. Jijabai told Shivaji that you must recapture Kondana fort. You must take it back from the enemy's hands. Shivaji was not happy that Kondana was in the hands of Mughals. Both Jijabai and Shivaji were unhappy about it. It was hurting them to see Kondana with the Mughals. They wanted it back. Shivaji started making plans to recapture, to take Kondana back. But they were thinking, whom could they give this task, as it was very difficult to capture back Kondana from the hands of Mughals. Children, let us learn about the lion, Tanaji Malusare. Children, Tanaji was Shivaji's comrade, his fellow member who fought many wars with him. Tanaji was with Shivaji Maharaj right from the beginning. Tanaji was from village Umarthe near Mahad in Konkan region. Tanaji was very much devoted to Shivaji. He was ready to put his heart and soul to any work that Shivaji would assign him, any work that Shivaji would give him. Tanaji was strong, well built, and as clever as he was brave. Meaning, Tanaji was brave, smart, and strong. He had all the qualities of a good warrior. He was passionately devoted to Shivaji. He was a true follower of Shivaji. He was ever ready to give his life for Shivaji. Kondana's marriage first. Children, Tanaji's son Raiba was about to get married. Tanaji was busy making all the arrangements, preparations for his son's marriage. The marriage was only 4 days away. Tanaji thought he would himself go and invite Shivaji Maharaj and Jijabai, that is Ma Sahib, to the wedding. Along with Shelar Mama, Tanaji went to invite Shivaji and Jijabai to his son Raiba's wedding. Shivaji received the invitation to Raiba's wedding from Shelar Mama. On receiving the invitation, Shivaji said, "Shelar Mama, you go back and celebrate the wedding." Shivaji said, "I am sorry. I shall be unable to attend. I have decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana." Shivaji said he would not be able to come for Raiba's wedding because he has decided to lead a campaign, a fight to recapture Kondana, to get back Kondana. As soon as Tanaji heard this, he said, "Maharaj, do you propose to take this difficult and dangerous campaign while Tanaji is still alive? Then what is the use of persons like me? This will not do. I shall first perform the marriage of Kondana by capturing it." Children, as Tanaji was a devoted follower of Shivaji, he decided to take the difficult and dangerous task of recapturing Kondana. Tanaji said, while he is still alive, Shivaji need not worry about anything. Tanaji said, first he will perform the marriage of Kondana, meaning first he will recapture Kondana and then he will perform his son's marriage. He said, Raiba's wedding can wait. Tanaji said, Shivaji must allow him to lead the fight to recapture Kondana and give him his blessings to be successful. Tanaji's plan. Children, after taking Shivaji's blessings, Tanaji took control of all the war plannings to get Kondana back. He then left for Kondana. At that time, Kondana was under the control of Uday Bhan. Uday Bhan was a Rajput officer appointed by Mirza Raje Jai Singh to protect Kondana. Uday Bhan was disciplined. He followed all rules and regulations without breaking them. He was a vigilant officer. He was alert and awake so that he could avoid any danger or problem. Children, Kondana had two entrances. There were two gates by which anyone could go in Kondana fort, and at both the entrances there were too many guards appointed by Uday Bhan. It was difficult to attack in such case. They thought how to mount an assault, how to attack in such conditions. Tanaji then quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. He studied about the fort carefully, and on the western side of the fort there was a steep precipice where there were no guards. Children, steep precipice means there was a tall, straight, rocky mountain-like structure, or you could say chattan. It was quite straight and very difficult to climb, but there were no guards there. So Tanaji decided to attack from that side. Tanaji had decided to attack from the steep precipice. He explained about his plan to his younger, that is smaller brother, Suryaji. He told his brother that you take a detachment of 500 troops. He told his brother to take a group of 500 soldiers and reach the Kalyan Gate. Tanaji will take a group of 300 soldiers and climb the tall, straight, rocky side and get inside the fort. They decided that as soon as Tanaji and his soldiers would climb the precipice, they will open the Kalyan Gate. And in this way, Suryaji and his soldiers will also enter the fort and join Tanaji and his soldiers. Tanaji told Suryaji, together we shall destroy the Mughal troops, together we shall destroy the Mughal soldiers and will also defend the Kondana fort, will also protect the Kondana fort. They finalized this plan and Suryaji and Tanaji went their different ways. Over the precipice and into the fort. Children, it was a dark night when Tanaji decided to attack and recapture Kondana. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice, meaning Tanaji and his men were gathered at the lower part at the base of the steep precipice. The sound of crickets could be heard. Children, as it was night time, the sounds of insects were heard from all around. Now, 5 or 6 members of Tanaji's party started to climb the precipice. Children, it was actually very tall and straight. It was very difficult to climb the steep precipice. Children, it was very difficult to climb the steep precipice, but they somehow managed to get a foothold in the rock. They got a grip over the precipice by pushing their fingers into the crevices, by pushing their fingers into the gaps of the precipice, chattan. They pulled themselves up and started to climb the difficult and dangerous precipice. Children, as soon as they reached the top, they tied a thick rope to a strong tree and threw the rope down. Now the other soldiers took hold of the rope and climbed up to the top like monkeys. Now, other soldiers took the help of the rope and slowly but surely climbed and reached the top like monkeys. Tanaji's Valor. Children, valor means bravery. Here we will see Tanaji's bravery. Children, Tanaji climbed the steep precipice, and by that time Suryaji and his soldiers also reached the Kalyan gate. He waited for the doors to open. Now, the battle, the war on the fort started. Udaybhan heard about the attack. The battle drum was sounded, meaning Udaybhan's soldiers on the Kondana fort were informed about the attack. Udaybhan's garrison, meaning Udaybhan's soldiers, attacked Tanaji's men. A grim, meaning serious battle started between the two forces in the light of dancing torches. Children, as it was a dark night, people took torches, mashal at that time, and were fighting to recapture Kondana. Children, the Mavlas opened the doors of the Kalyan gate and let in Suryaji and his soldiers. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaybhan attacked him. Both Tanaji and Udaybhan were brave, and the fight between them was serious and intense. In the fight, Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied a cloth on his hand to protect himself from Udaybhan's attack and continued fighting. In the end, both Udaybhan and Tanaji were mortally wounded, meaning they were wounded so bad that these wounds would take their lives. They both fell fighting and Tanaji died. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. Children, with the death of Tanaji, the Mavlas, his soldiers lost hope. They found themselves without a leader and they began to retreat, they began to go back. By that time, Suryaji and his men reached the scene of battle. Suryaji came to know that his brother Tanaji died. But he had no time to feel sad about it. He had to continue the fight. Suryaji cut off the rope by which the Mavlas had climbed the fort. Suryaji then stood in the way of Mavlas who wanted to go back. He said, "Don't you see that your father Tanaji is lying dead here in the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run like a bunch of cowards? Don't you feel any shame to run away from the battlefield? Turn back and fight, because I have blocked your retreat." Suryaji said that I have cut the rope with which you have climbed into the fort. He told the Mavlas that you have two options. Either you jump to death or turn back and fight to destroy, to kill the enemy. Children, so the Mavlas, their soldiers returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. A fierce, meaning intense battle raged. People were fighting with lot of anger and passion. In the end, the Mavlas conquered the fort. They won the fort back. But in this process, they lost their lion-hearted leader, Tanaji. Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news of Tanaji's death. When Shivaji and Jijamata heard the news of Tanaji's death, they were struck with grief. They felt very sad. Shivaji expressed his pain in one sentence. He said, "The fort is captured but the lion is dead." Shivaji said, "We got the fort but we lost our lion, Tanaji." Now Kondana's name was changed to Sinhagad in the memory and respect of great warrior Tanaji, who gave his life to recapture it. All this happened in 1670. Later on, afterwards, Shivaji Raje himself went to Umarthe and performed the wedding of Raiba. Shivaji went to Umarthe and completed the duties of Tanaji and performed Raiba's wedding. This was all about the lesson. The fort is captured but the lion is dead.